Yet another feature of monopoly market is profit maximization. Yes, in case of monopoly market, the monopolist, the firm or seller can maximize his profit to a greater extent. Now, there are two very obvious reasons for it. Let us understand the first reason. In monopoly market, the firm, the industry, the seller is a sole producer or seller of the commodity. So as he's the sole producer or a seller of a commodity, so consumer, if he wants to buy the product, has to go to the seller or do away with it. Which means the monopolists can charge higher price for the same commodity and yet the consumer will buy it. So automatically, one of the reason why in monopoly the firm have a benefit of maximizing its profit is because it's a sole seller or a producer of the commodity. Another reason why there is a profit maximization occurs in monopoly market is the monopolies, the firm, the seller has a complete control over the supply of the commodity in the market. So in order to maximize profit, what supplier can do? It can control the supply of the market and affect the demands and automatically enhance its profit maximization. Let us understand this with a greater detail. So what monopolies can do? It can supply the quantity as per the demand at a higher price, or it can control the supply of a commodity even at a higher price, which in turn ensures he'll get a maximum profit. I'll try to give you an example which is very similar to it. Let us take an example. Many of us know that sometimes we purchase commodities or let's say vehicles, I have heard this quite often, in on prices. What is on prices? There is a shortage of supply of let's say a four-wheeler in the market. So what does consumer do? Consumer put more money than even the MRP and demands that give me a supply first. Now, how does this happen? Already you have enough production, but what you have done? You temporarily control the supply. So as the supply is controlled, the consumer tend to pay you more, and that's where you can enhance your profit. So artificial reduction in supply can be created by a monopolist to enhance profit. So in nutshell summary, the monopolist has the basic motive of profit maximization. There are two crystal clear reasons to it. One, he is a single seller or producer of the commodity. Second, he has a complete control over market supply. So charging high for the same commodity, still the consumer will buy it, or controlling the supply in the market and still ensuring price hike of a commodity and still enjoy the higher profits.